Next is one of my favorite clean types called as multivariations. DataSquirrel detects and standardizes similar text values with different spellings or casings. Let's take DataSquirrel as an example. During sign up, some users might say they discovered DataSquirrel through there's an AI for that, but enter it with different spellings. Some with an apostrophe, some without it, some with a dash in between. Even a simple term like Google might be entered as Google with a capital G or Google in small case, creating two separate entries. Without cleaning the data set, these variations would be treated as different entries. What DataSquirrel does it standardizes them, ensuring that your analysis reflects the true data. Let's look at our data file. Here under candidates designation, DataSquirrel has identified 5 different values which have multiple variations. As you can see, you have UI UX designer, one there is a capital D and the other one is in small case. With VP engineering, there is a dash in between and so on. What DataSquirrel does is it suggests it to be changed to capitalize casing, but just like inconsistent text casing, you can choose from a list of different casing types or even choose to leave it as it is. I will not do that for at least this cleaning type. This cleaning type is truly a game changer. No BI platform supports this level of cleaning. Like date formatting, it's one of the most commonly used clean types at DataSquirrel.